Here's probably the most important bit about networking. It's the art of making an introduction. Pretend that you are the consummate host at a dinner party. Factor out everything else. Strip out titles, strip out worries, concerns, what you think people want to get out of meeting each other. Just bring people together. Give a small fact that is not work-related on this end and another one on this end. Bring people together and let them make bonds. Create an atmosphere of comfort, of ease, of relax, of enjoyment, and get out of the way.